Our addiction to plastic is catastrophic. Remnants of our products have spread to every corner of the planet. Plastic cannot degrade, so more we make it, the more it ends up in the environment. The problem which takes a devastating phase in future if nothing is done right now. World needs an effective solution to deal with this unusual problem because our planet matters. Many ideas have come up to eradicate the plastic problem, but were not able to provide financial growth and profits.
Plastic has come up as one of the most hazardous elements ever created by mankind, and we all know about its harmful effect on environment today. We want to eradicate the problem of plastic waste from the environment.
The journey behind this Plament idea is really amazing. We went on camping on Aravai Hills in Madhya Pradesh. So there we found that plastics were thrown by the local people, whereas tourists which were coming from various states, and we found that the plastic remains, the plastic packaging which they were giving to were given by the food sellers there were thrown and eaten by animals. So from there we thought that we need something like plastic management, or what we can do to limit this thing. So from there we started searching for alternatives. We installed dustbins in some of the shops there and asked them to collect the plastic waste. So we analyzed that in a week's time, uh, like a full dustbin will be collected from the plastic polythene. So from there, we don't know like how to move next. So we came to our campus, and one of our faculty, Dr. Rajeshri Sarkar, helped us in analyzing what are the components in plastic and how to extract them. From there we got an idea, okay, from this particular heating point we can attain plastic hardness, and what are the other materials we can use to make plastic slab. So from there our journey started, and soon we made this plastic new material from the plastic waste which we collected from there. Initially, we started from our campus, that is from NMIMS Indore campus. And after that, we moved to one of the places, one of my friend's places in Indore, who is having a laboratory. And basically, he is into soap manufacturing. So we took help from him for at least 1 month. And after that, we opened our project.
We made our first prototype in NMIMS chemistry lab itself, using the components which are already there in the chemistry lab and making something new out of it. So many of our faculties helped us in that, and then we got this order from NMIMS itself for making 25 slabs. The director of NMIMS Indore asked us to make table papers, like paper weights for 25 faculties in the campus itself.
We conducted a survey. The initial survey was not focused to our product and product prototype. And we just first analyzed like, is there any demand for the product which we are creating? Does public wants that thing to be introduced? So after analyzing, there would be like around 73% yes. So after that, we conducted a second survey in which we showed our product prototype, and after that we conducted a third survey. In the second survey in which we showed the prototype, it was well liked by the people, and from there we thought, okay, we have this confidence now and we can start with this idea. Definitely we will like to scale up this plan further, and
Okay.
definitely we can push some of the resources from our side as well, because we know that people are buying the product, and in future it will be very beneficial for us.
Being the leaders of tomorrow, it is very important to generate adequate funds for the project. Our estimated project cost is around 16 lakh, for which we have already taken 2 lakh from our personal sources, and we are looking for around 14 lakh 80,000 funds from our investors. We believe that if we started this project on big operation, we can make a huge difference in this world.